arrested for what? I'm not resisting. Spray me. What now? Baby. Come on. No, it's my birthday.
On December 9, 2022, OPD responded to a disturbance at Oakland International Airport.
I was being civil with you. I don't give a fuck about you pointing. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah, same woman. Again, the same thing. My boarding pass is not loaded. My boarding pass is not loaded. Several other people boarding pass is not loaded. They want to charge me $99. That's not my fault. I'm here to check in. Listen, I'm mad.
Before confirming your requesting land
over and over.
Yes, please.
Okay. I asked him for his supervisor. He called John. Where his supervisor at? Where's his supervisor? Exactly. So where's his supervisor? I'm mad. I didn't spend my money. Last night is my birthday. And you keep talking about relax. I can't spend my money, bro. You see this? Listen. Your boarding pass is here. Why the I can't get on the phone? Because I'm mad. This is my second time here. Then he's trying to tell me I'm lying. Get your supervisor. Pull the shit up. Oh no, I'm coming OPD. I ain't do nothing wrong. I ain't break no law. I'm mad. You gonna pay $99? I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
I told you last night.
I'm not talking to you. You ain't tell me shit. And no, I didn't. No, I didn't. I was in line.
No, you weren't.
Yes, the f*** I was.
You showed up late last night.
No, the f*** I was not.
You did.
Okay, so what about not?
Ma'am, you showed up late last night.
No, I didn't. No, I did not. Help me.
Go ahead.
Because they was monitoring.
Stop screaming, you'll be arrested.
I don't give a f***.
You'll be arrested.
Arrested for what? For screaming?
Disorderly conduct. You're interfering with the operation of the airport.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
so
are.
do what you got to do. Come on. Do what you got to do. Come on. Come on. Come on, then. Well, take me to jail. Take me to jail. I'm not going to let you insult my integrity. So why my boarding pass not popping up?
That's an issue.
Why it's not popping up? So come on, take me to jail.
Did you come to
Take me to jail.
No.
Come on. Come on, what's your name?
No.
Francisco? Come on. All right, come on. Because I'm not the only person that's going through this. He been rude. He's been a punk. Get your supervisor. He called OPD. It is what it is. Shit, it is what it is. Ain't no law against that. Y'all gonna take me to jail? Come on. Take me to jail. Exactly. People is here for their flight. I'm here. I was here yesterday.
I know you were here yesterday, but you missed your flight.
I did not.
Yes, you did. You showed up for 33 minutes.
No, I did not.
Minutes before your flight left.
I came here at 8:19 last night.
33 minutes.
You want to see my book? You want to see my check-in?
Sure, I was there yesterday.
No, you wasn't. You was there when I got loud. You was there when I got loud.
When you went to the one side. You went to that side and you went to the other side.
I was here.
You were late.
My boarding pass was not loaded. Okay, so what's the reason for today then?
So I don't know what's going on today.
Why my boarding pass not loaded?
Yelling and screaming.
Why my boarding pass not loaded? I keep paying for this ticket.
No, it's a different ticket because I was.
I keep paying for it, though. I keep paying for it.
I don't know what you're gonna do.
I go through clear. I pay $200 in line. Yeah. I'm gonna miss my flight.
You missed the
I'm
flight.
gonna miss it.
284 Alpha, 287, 1065.
But yesterday I didn't miss my flight. I sat in that line. I sat in that line for hours.
You went to the one side.
You get out my face. I don't want to talk to you.
If you get out of face, pick up your bag and
No,
leave.
I'm not. I'm a supervisor.
You're the supervisor.
He got a supervisor. You got a supervisor. He got a supervisor. He got a supervisor. Everybody got a supervisor. I want his supervisor. Come on, take me to jail. I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on. I'm ready. I'm ready. By my money. By my money, I'll go to jail. Let's go. Cause she didn't say her shit not loaded. His shit not loaded. His shit not loaded. It's system.
But it was spirit last night, now it's
here.
today.
I'm here, bro. You talking about yesterday, I'm talking about today. I booked another flight, pay extra money.
I understand
287
that.
copy.
Okay, so why I can't catch my flight, bro?
297, please.
Why my boarding pass not
Copy
loading?
297.
You don't work for the airport. You work for OPD. So you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. So where's his supervisor?
He is a supervisor.
Where's his supervisor?
He's not here. He's in charge today.
Kim, where's his supervisor?
Ma'am,
She's still at this point. I'm sorry.
I don't give a what you. I'm not. Come on. I'm not leaving. I need my money back. I need my money back, or you can take me to jail.
Go ahead and
Come on. I want his supervisor. So come take me to
His name
jail.
is Bravo.
My birthday being f***ed up.
so we're not looking to lock you up.
I don't give a f*** because it's my birthday. If I'm doing something wrong, if I'm breaking the f*** law, come on, take me to jail. Come on. So come on, take me to jail. Take me to jail. Come on, you ready?
We're going to wait for
Take me
you
to
at
jail.
45.
I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you.
Where are you trying to go?
Is you gonna take me to our level? Come on, I'm
Where are you
ready.
trying to go?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Turn around. We're not hurting you.
You are. What?
We're not hurt. We're not
I'm
going to
not
hurt you.
resisting.
I'm going to get phone out.
No, they're behind my back. Boy, y'all got a lawsuit, baby. Y'all got a lawsuit. Come on.
That's your bag right there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm taking it.
Yeah, cause y'all f***ed up my
I need a
ticket.
statement for disorderly.
Yeah. Now it's disorderly. No, I'm not relaxing. Cause I keep spending my money. I'm not fighting. Come on, let's go. Y'all ready? Let's go.
The car's right out here. We can do this.
Yeah, come on. You ain't gotta grip me like that.
Ma'am, we're not.
Yeah, don't hurt me. Yeah.
Hold on.
I will continue to be loud. I will continue to be mean. But you're not gonna hurt me.
There's no need for that, man.
I don't give a f***. I'm loud. I'm gonna continue to be loud. I'm mad. But you're not gonna hurt me. You're not gonna handle me aggressively. No, none of that.
Man, we're not doing it.
I'm telling you though, don't do it.
We're not.
You started to. You now grip my arm and smash my arm. Okay, I won't talk to you. It's okay. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Boy, let's do it. Oh, this all the coming. I'm mad. So how does the left part of your brain work? Tell me that. The right side, yeah. But how does the left work? How does the left part of your brain work?
Well, you got your logical side and you got your emotional side.
Exactly.
And then
Yes,
one
sir.
side is the artistic
Yes,
side.
sir. Yes, sir. I keep spending my money on this
I
same
get
flight.
that, but ma'am, you don't have to go to Frontier. You can go to another airline.
I did Spirit first. And now Frontier is the same
Ma'am,
thing.
hold on. Before we get you in there, okay, look, I'm not up
I don't got nothing. You can search
Okay.
me. I don't care.
Okay.
Call my mama.
baby.
Call my mama
Ma'am,
now.
you got to scoot on back, okay?
Call her now.
Ma'am, you got to get in the
Call
car.
my mama now.
Hold on, you got to get in the car.
All the last time my mama knows I was getting on the plane.
Ma'am, you
Call
got
my.
to scoot back.
I know. You heard me. I'm not kidding. You heard me. I'm not kidding.
You're kicking the door.
You hurting my arm right here.
Ma'am, just sit back.
You're hurting my arm.
Sit back.
Okay, but you're hurting
Watch
me.
your leg. Watch.
Can you copy a serial number for firearm for me?
Please, thank you. Yes, sir.
Okay, calm down.
Y'all keep telling me to calm down. I went to customer service. The first thing is not to tell somebody that's upset to calm down. Okay, you know what? Just please take me, take it
I'm
off.
trying to help you, but you're not running the show. You can't tell
I don't want to run it.
Then turn. I'm done.
That's what I did in the beginning. Don't snatch me. Don't snatch
All right,
me.
have a seat, man.
Yeah.
I tried to help
Don't
you.
snatch
No, I
me.
tried to help you. I tried to help you. No, have a seat. Have a seat. I tried to help you.
No, I'm gonna pass out, bro. I'm hot.
Try to be nice.
I'm hot.
This is how
But
you act.
don't snatch me.
Nobody snatched me.
Yes, you did.
Have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
No.
I tried to help you.
No. Okay, so
So now you can pick up a resistance. We tried to help you. You acted
But
full.
no, I'm not. You're yoking me.
Nobody yoked you.
It hurt. I'm telling you, it hurt.
Then you need to get some. You need to get some treatment because nobody's hurting you. You need to get some serious treatment if you call that
Can you
hurting.
take my jacket off? No, then. No.
Then you're gonna get sprayed and you're gonna pick up. A
Okay,
resistance
spray
charge.
me.
Is that what
Spray
you want?
me.
Is that what
Spray
you want?
me.
Is that what you want?
I'm not resisting.
Is that what
Spray
you-
me.
Then have a seat.
I'm telling you, I'm about to pass
I tried
out.
to help you, and you tried to start
But
acting
you
full again.
squeezing my
Nobody's
arm.
squeezing you.
May you help me take my jacket off, please?
Acting the fool. Acting the fool. I
I
tried to help
just
her.
broke my jacket
I
off.
tried.
He's squeezing
I tried.
my arm.
Did you see me squeezing her? This is the crap that we've been dealing with. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, and
this is not how an adult acts. Turn around, I'll take it off. If not, sit down. Turn around.
See,
I'm done.
See, look.
I'm done.
But
I'm done.
You don't
I'm
gotta
done.
do that. I'm turned around.
Turn.
Why is he doing that?
Just sit
I'm
right there.
relaxed. Why is he doing that? He don't gotta
yes.
do that. I'm turned around.
Shut up. for
You
2
shut up.
seconds.
You shut up.
Seriously.
You shut up.
Done.
No, man, no. Out. See, he hurting me. Like I'm gonna pass out. Take my jacket off.
So you
That's
saw
all
us
I
try.
want. Take my jacket off.
I'm
Please,
If you just be quiet, Didi. If you just please just be quiet.
We're not going to
Please,
that.
take my jacket.
He tried.
After this is on,
He was squeezing my arm. He was squeezing my arm.
I was just right
I
there.
did not tell him squeezing my arm.
Didi,
I'm
please.
not.
Didi, he asked you to turn around. I
I'm
didn't see him.
not turned around.
Female passenger disputed a recurring boarding pass failure with airline staff. She had missed her flight the prior evening due to the same technical fault. Turned, purchased a second ticket, and demanded resolution or a refund. Core legal question: did her conduct meet the threshold for lawful arrest? California Code Section 14 defines disturbing the peace in 3 categories. Category 3 prohibits words inherently likely to provoke an immediate violent reaction. Courts interpret this narrowly. It requires constitutional fighting words, not mere profanity. Cohen v. Californian 71, the Supreme Court held, offensive language is protected speech. State cannot criminalize expression simply because it is profane or unwelcome. Demands, directed at staff, not threatening violence, did not constitute fighting words. Probable cause for a Section 15 arrest was therefore questionable from the outset. If Houston, Hill, 1987, verbally challenging take me to jail statements are provocative, but legally not unlawful. Cannot manufacture probable cause because a subject dares them to act. At no point prior to arrest did the subject make physical contact with any person. Francisco arrived without documented de-escalation attempts before initiating contact. California Post mandates de-escalation as the primary response to nonviolent situations. Guidelines require officers to exhaust lesser means before resorting to physical control. Transition from verbal exchange to handcuffing occurred without that documented step. Once arrest began, the subject stated, "Don't hurt me." She did not physically resist. V. Connor, 1989, establishes the 3-factor reasonableness test for use of force. 1. Severity of the crime. A disputed boarding pass is a low-level offense at most. 2. Immediate threat. The transcript reveals no physical threat to any officer or bystander. 3. Active resistance. Loud verbal protest does not constitute active resistance. All 3 Graham factors weigh against elevated force in this encounter. Inside the patrol vehicle, an officer threatened OC spray deployment, pepper spray. Spray is a less lethal force option requiring active resistance that cannot be controlled otherwise. Verbal non-compliance alone does not satisfy the threshold for less lethal deployment. The spray against a handcuffed, verbally protesting subject was disproportionate. Subject reported arm pain and near fainting. No medical welfare inquiry was documented on camera. Care requires officers to respond to detainee medical complaints with evaluation, not dismissal. Subject correctly stated, "I'm not resisting." The transcript supports that assessment. The arrest lacked probable cause. A civil claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 would have merit. Section 1983 allows suits against state actors, including police, for constitutional violations. Clearly established First Amendment law would likely bar qualified immunity in this scenario. Charges or disposition were found. Status, as of this analysis, unknown. Assessment is based solely on the available footage. Grade, Officer Francisco. The initial response lacked documented de-escalation before physical intervention. Probable cause for a Section 415 arrest was legally insufficient on the facts observed. The spray threat was disproportionate to the subject's actual resistance level. Treaded. No striking, no weapons drawn, verbal engagement maintained throughout. Failure was primarily in legal judgment and pre-arrest de-escalation, not excessive brutality. She grade subject. T. Her commercial grievance was legitimate and documented, a genuine system failure. First Amendment conduct, loud, profane, persistent, remained within legal protection. She made no physical contact and correctly stated she was not resisting during arrest. unwise. Repeatedly inviting arrest gave officers an easier justification to act. A more strategic approach, quiet documentation, civil complaint would have been more effective. Indeed, airline staff failed to address the boarding pass fault substantively before escalating to law enforcement. The system failure affected multiple passengers. It warranted a systemic response, not removal. Defaulting to police before exhausting customer service options accelerated the confrontation. 2 lessons learned. For law enforcement, de-escalation before arrest is a legal obligation, not a courtesy. Probable cause must exist independently. It cannot be created by a subject's defiant attitude. Force options must match resistance level. Verbal protest does not justify less lethal threats. Critical complaints from detainees must be documented and evaluated, not dismissed. Citizens, your right to be loud is protected. Your strategy in exercising it matters. Inviting arrest, even lawfully, removes your control of the situation. Document